Look at how beat up these old bearings were. These are supposed to be pointing out that way, this inner race, and man, this thing doesn't even turn. That's almost done. I just got to do some wiring and it should work pretty good. Alright guys, here we go. The moment of truth. There it is. Running good. Just like it was meant to. Alright guys, so this project is 100% done. We even built the bench for it and we mounted a light over here to help us see what we're working on. So this has been a great time. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys come back and I hope you guys hit the subscribe button. There's more stuff coming on, so keep on checking in and stay tuned.